Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how you can change this shirt by cutting a slit here, some slits on the side. We're going to make a shirt go from that to this. So with your t-shirt, we want to make a fold down the center of the shirt. So you're going to pull the front and back like this until the shoulder seams line up perfectly. And then we're just going to flip it on its side and we're just going to lay it out nice and smooth. Using a good pair of fabric scissors, you're just going to make a cut down the center of the shirt as far as you want. I'm just cutting until I reach the graphic on the front, so probably about the width of a hand. So now you have that nice slit down the center of the shirt. The next thing we're going to do is slits up the side of the shirt. So you can lay out your shirt flat. So just make sure it's nice and smooth and put your scissors into one side of the shirt and just start cutting up almost to the waist. Now you're going to fold over the other part of the shirt so you know how high to cut up. Now you can put your scissors in that other side of the shirt and just cut up until you reach about the same area you stopped cutting on that side. Now the last thing we're going to do is a cut up the center front and center back of the shirt. You can take the corners, fold them together, and lay the shirt on its side once again. Now we have a fold up the center front and back of the shirt, and you can cut through both layers of the t-shirt at once. So you'll put your scissors in and start cutting as far as you want. So we cut to about there, just a bit below the graphic. Now we're going to see what it looks like. So we have our nice slit down the front, we have our slit down the middle. We want these back pieces long enough to come around and tie in front. So what you're going to do is just pull like that until they're long enough to come in front, and you can tie a little knot like that. This cool shirt got our nice little slit there, and at the back it looks like that. And it was so easy to do. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.